Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my Tamed Wild Box for May 2019. I'm very excited because this beautiful box is my first actual Tamed Wild Box. I'm pretty sure every time before I've gotten a wild medicine box, which I used to get from them. It came in a mailer. This is a little bit different setup because I have been filming other videos today, and you know, filming at my other spot is going to be interchangeable. I'm going to start, before I do any of this, by giving you the information. So this box is $29 a month. It's one of a few options that they have. They, of course, have one-time purchases. They sometimes have purchases that you can make of their prior boxes. They have one-time crystal boxes, one-time Tamed Wild boxes. They also have a Wild Crystals monthly subscription, which is $23 a month. It looks like they have a Tea of the Month club, which is $9 a month. Cool. I've never heard of that. And I want to say that this company is also branching out to do a jewelry subscription called, I think, North of Stella every month, but I'm not sure about the price. The only one that I get is a Tamed Wild Box for $29 a month. So let's check it out. I love these. I have one already, but I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I keep them in my my little journal with all of the inserts for my boxes. So it looks like it's got a Litha ritual. It's on very nice parchment. Oh, it's quite lovely. And then it looks like these are the information. I don't read those first. I like to be surprised. They have nice big old popping bubbles. Oh, look at you. How lovely. I love these. Wow. So pretty. Here, let's tighten that. Let's actually straighten this up a little bit. Looks like you got discombobulated in your travels. Hold on. Tighten you up. Tighten you up. Tighten, tighten, tighten. There we go. Pretty. Very pretty. And it's so soft. I love it. I'm going to hang it somewhere cool. Basically, the decorations that I get from my boxes are some of the primary decorations in my house because I don't really buy that much decor. Unless you count candles and crystals as decor. And I got lots of that. Beautiful, guys. Wow. Let me see. I'm a little awkward today because I'm filming in a different spot and I'm trying to display everything to its best advantage. So calendula herb. I believe I have this already from them, this exact container. But calendula is a really great herb. I like it very much. Ooh, what do we got here? I love bottles. Let me be very delicate. Y'all know the story about me smashing something. Oh, it's a beautiful bottle. I love the shape. It's got a little cork and it seems to be full of lavender. Lovely. And we've got a spray here. I do love their sprays. Oh, lavender water. It's a skin mist, but to be honest, I put these usually on my sheets, my linens. Let me smell. Ooh, it is tightly on there. Smells divine. I love lavender. Oh, I love these bags. I collect the bags. Her bags are the best. So I'm going to put that there. And wow, what am I looking at? I'm not typically very good at crystal identification. One more little item. One more little item. Okay. Oh, Pendulum. Cool. Cool. I have a big collection of pendulums now. I think this is my 4th. But I don't think I have any duplicate stones. I think I've got an obsidian, a smoky quartz, one that's like a rod with an amethyst on the end, and then this one looks like an amethyst to me. Beautiful. Now let's read a little bit about everything. I hope you can see everything very clearly. So what's nice about this angle is I can read it with you. Ritual tools, driftwood wall decor. It's a solstice gift to me. Thank you. It was made in-house by our talented team of artisans with a shared intention of renewed passion and creativity for the months ahead. Hang near your altar, above your bed, or in a sacred space to surround yourself with love from like-minded souls. Lavender Water. Actually, let me just really quick show you one more time this beauty. Okay. Lavender water. The most instrumental herb in a witch's apothecary. Intoxicating fragrance uses aromatherapy to alleviate anxiety, depression, insomnia, digestive issues, and migraines. It's added to teas, desserts, and drinks designed to relax the body and calm the mind. Antiseptic, anti-inflammatory. Can soothe irritated skin, minor burns, and bug bites. It's basically great for everything. For their ritual, they use it to cleanse and anoint the ritual tools. Amethyst pendulum. Oop, there we go. A pendulum can be asked yes or no questions or held over various divination boards to answer more complicated queries. An amethyst pendulum is an effective tool to divine with spirits or to awaken the third eye. It's a guide for those who seek answers related to love, power, intuitive sight, fertility, and nature. For them, attach a ring or pendant or personal relic to the lobster claws at the end of the pendulum's chain. Ask the pendulum a yes or no question and use the answers to craft an intention to be infused into the solstice oil. To complete the first part of the ritual, wrap the pendulum around the neck of the bottle and allow it to rest for the entire infusion process. Floral Infusion Kit. Celebrate Litha and the culmination of goals by crafting a magical infusion of calendula flowers. Oh, it's a spell. Calendula flowers, lavender buds, and your favorite carrier oil. Litha is a time when the sun's energy is high and sacred masculinity is celebrated, but we must never forget that it's only through the unity of masculine and feminine that we have reason to celebrate. We've included calendula to honor confidence, stamina, and the limitless power of the sun, and lavender to incite creativity, insight, and the mystical essence of the moon. The oil is the catalyst that blends these ingredients and allows us to harness the power of this magical mixture. I think I have jojoba. To make your floral infusion, place calendula flowers and lavender buds inside the infusion bottle. Lovely. This is going to be fun. I actually think I will do this ritual. Because usually I just want to do whatever I want with the stuff. If you include any additional dried herbs from your personal collection, attempt to keep a balance of masculine and feminine energy and do not overfill the bottle. Pour your favorite carrier oil, organic sweet almond oil, grapeseed, or sunflower oil are some of our favorites, into the bottle, making sure to cover the herbs completely. If necessary, use a small spoon to submerge the herbs. Make sure that they are completely saturated. Allow the oil to infuse in a dark place for 2 to 6 weeks. Shake daily. That is going to be pretty cool. This is a zeolite, an alluring group of crystals that can be used to absorb low vibrations, unfavorable energy, and toxins from the surroundings. For this ritual, place the zeolite next to the floral oil while it's infusing. The zeolite will absorb nearby contaminants, preventing them from permeating the oil and manipulating your intent. Cleanse the zeolite weekly with lavender water and charge with a short meditation or blessing before replacing it next to the infusion. Moon calendar. Set intentions, schedule rituals, and track the progress of your floral infusion with this calendar. And then since the ritual is such a heavy part about this, so basically, you know, to perform the ritual, you're going to cleanse everything with the water. Think about, you know, what your intention is. Journal. Use the pendulum to add details to your visions. Visualize your desires. Inscribe a sentence, picture, or sigil that encompasses these aspirations, and cork the infusion bottle and inhale the scent of the sweet aroma of lavender as you sprinkle in the cheery calendula flowers. Ask for a unified blessing from the god and goddess to act as the spark needed to initiate your intent. Carefully pour the carrier oil into the bottle and completely submerge the flowers. Cork the bottle and place the infusion in a safe, dark place. Slip the small paper with your intention under the jar. Set the zeolite crystal nearby to prevent low vibrations from contaminating the oil. Wrap the amethyst pendulum around the neck of the bottle and allow it to rest for as long as the infusion steeps. Let it sit for 2 to 6 weeks. And then when it's ready, you say a little incantation, and then it can be used for your own personal workings. Pretty cool. Definitely a cool box. I'm really digging it this month. And last month was really good. It's been, I mean, I was a little bit worried at first because I really loved my wild medicine box. But I'm really digging this box. It's got a lot of great rituals, ideas, tools. Definitely like it a lot. Just one more time, this is the Tamed Wild Box, May 2019. You can make this yours for $29 a month. I'll leave some information and a link in the description below. As always, please like, comment, subscribe. I love to hear from you guys. It really makes all of this so much fun to have my witchy YouTube friends to talk to socialize with. So connect with me, and I'm looking forward to connecting with you. You can do it on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, whatever. Let's connect. I will talk to you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.